Do you want to put some cash in your pocket? Do you want to manifest money fast using money magnetism? Well, here's how to do it. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, yes, we are soaring like a beautiful eagle, but we are running all over town, getting everything ready for the big Thanksgiving dinner coming up. So I'm in the car. I don't have the Tommy Bahama shirt on today. I'm not in my office, but I'm here to share with you some ideas on how to make money fast. This has worked for me. It's worked for others, and it will work for you as well. Number one is you need to have some really clear intentions about wealth. What does wealth mean to you? What does wealth feel like to you? What does it look like to you? Everybody has a different kind of a picture in their mind of what wealth is all about. For somebody, it's sitting on the back of that yacht and, sailing through the Bahamas. For someone else, it might be taking a lot of trips. For someone else, it might be just having enough money to pay your bills and do what you really desire in life. But whatever it is, you need a clear intention of what wealth is to you. What does it look like? What does it feel like? So, high flyers, have you ever known someone that they just had accidents all the time? They were accident prone. Or have you ever known someone that just seemed lucky? They were always winning lotteries or different games of chance. Every time you turn around, they're winning something. It seems that certain people have the ability to attract certain things to them with magnetism. So what is your money magnetism? Ask yourself this question. What do I need to become to be a person with money magnetism? And the answer is you need an absolute certain belief that you have money magnetism. In other words, you have to be absolutely, completely, totally, without a doubt, certain that you already have this money magnetism. Once you have that belief, it's kind of incredible, but just by adopting that belief, you start attracting money to it. You'll find it on the ground. People will give it to you. It'll show up in your mailbox. It'll show up in your bank account. Money will come to you from 1,000 different directions. It's incredible. Money magnetism. So the next big tip on attracting money fast is focus your time and your energy on attracting money and think about money. You see, people that have a lot of money tend to think about money. People that have a lot of horses tend to think about horses. People that have a lot of bicycles tend to think about bicycles. Whatever you think about, whatever you focus on, you tend to attract. Energy goes where, how does that go?
Energy flows where attention goes.
Energy flows where attention goes. That's how it is. Energy flows where attention goes. What a flub up. But hey, it's Thanksgiving. We're getting excited about money. We're getting excited about being thankful and prosperity. But focus your time and energy on money. Put more time. Say, look at, I desire more money, therefore I'm going to give more of my time and energy to thinking about money and how to attract more of it. You may find that real estate works for you, or multi-level marketing, or some other form of money-making, passive income. How about that? That works too. Next is modeling or advice, and this is so important, high flyers. Find someone who has made some money and ask them how they did it. Say, what advice can you give me? Can you tell me how you did it? What worked for you? What didn't work for you? And then there's also finding people that have made piles and oodles of money, and maybe you can't talk to them, but you can read about them. You can research them. You can learn from their from their experiences, and you can model yourself after them. If they got up at 5 o'clock in the morning, then get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. If they work till 2 in the morning, work till 2 in the morning. So high flyers, think about the law of attraction. And many years ago, I was in the business of cleaning old paint off of cupboards. If you've ever done the most nastiest job in the world, this may be it. We had to scrape all that old paint off before we could apply a new finish. And I'd be working, I'd just be using my muscles. My boss came over to me and he said, let the chemicals do the work for you. Apply the chemicals, let the chemicals set for a while, and then just easily remove the paint. You don't have to work hard. It's easy when you allow the chemicals to do the work. Well, in this case, the chemicals is the universe. It's the law of attraction. Put out your intention. Get clear about what you desire. See yourself as a money magnet. Focus your time and energy, and then allow the universe to do the work for you. It's that simple. Don't convince yourself that the harder you work, the more money you will make. To a certain extent, that may be true, especially if you're trading hours, your time, for dollars. But if you are looking to leverage your money, leverage your income, leverage your wealth, then hey, it's not about working hard. It's about working smart. Well, high flyers, I need to share these 3 words with you. These 3 words change everything. There is all billions of people that want money, but they don't take action. They don't do what they need to do to make things happen. So why don't you commit right now? Write it down below. I am committing to making things happen in my life. I am committed. I am dedicated to making things happen in my life. And live by these 3 words. Write it down, or if you're one of those people that like a lot of tattoos, here's a great tattoo. Do it now. Not tomorrow, not the next day. I know you're tired. You want to go to bed. Do it now. I know you're in bed. You don't want to get up yet. Get up and do it. You want to put it off. It looks like it's going to be tough work. Do it now. Those 3 words will change everything for you. If you want money coming into your life, do it now. Well, high flyers, number 7 is be bold. Be absolutely bold about your actions, about your beliefs, about your desires, about the amount of money you desire, about how much money you are attracting, about the fact that you are a money magnet. Say it, I am a money magnet. Be bold. You see, people that attract large sums of money are bold about it. So be bold. Put out your chest. Get confident. Get powerful. Feel it in your body and take action. Do it now. Be bold. And finally, all that money is coming in. But before it comes in, high flyers, before the money starts to pour in, pay it forward. You know, we're getting close to Thanksgiving here. It's a day or 2 away. And think about all the people in the world that need you to become rich, so that with your wealth, you can help more people. Perhaps you can help the homeless. Perhaps you can help underprivileged children or veterans or people that have illnesses. Think of, I was listening to an interview with 2 billionaires with a B. And these 2 billionaires said, we don't think about how much money we want to make anymore. We don't think in those terms. We think in terms of how much money we can give away. How much can we draw in? How much can we make so that we can give it away to help those less fortunate? Hey, that's what it's all about. We're here together on this planet. Live a life of love. Live a life of giving. Give, and it will be given unto you. Okay, I suspect, I believe I'm absolutely certain that 2020 is going to be your best year for money. I mean, you're going to see more money in your life than in 2020 than you've ever seen in your life. Okay, sorry for all the little flub ups in the video. It's kind of warm in the car. Got to turn the air back on. But listen, you have a great, great day because you absolutely deserve it. You really do. Say it. I deserve it. I deserve it. Bye-bye now.